Hi guys, my name is Ram Prasad. I am saying about the GPML and DQL, and now I am saying the DML. And let's see the first one. Insert into branch 1100 values and set transport row created. Insert into branch 1100 values and the row Bangalore. One row created. Select start from branch 1100. We have the Nagpur in Nagpur and added the two rename and city. And let's see the save point A, save point created. So we start from branch 1100 and again the save point for the MG Road Nagpur and it was deleted in it. And let's see the another one inserted into branch values 700 and Delhi Mumbai, one row created and it was added and then Mumbai 9 rows created. So rollback to A, rollback completed. And let's start from branch 700 and let's start from branch 700 name city Nagpur and rollback to A was deleted and here insert into branch 700 name to place Delhi now row created. Inserted branch Powai Bombay and row created and these two rows are added and all the rows are 10 and commit completed. Rollback to A is uploaded and save point A never established. Thank you guys by watching my video.